counties to have a debt up to 90 days, and that is 3 months. And yes, when debts accumulate, it does not mean that our patients have to wait until money is available for them to get sick. Patients get sick, require drugs even when the treasury has not disbursed their monies. Governors and the counties have done very well as far as that is concerned, and we cannot be measured by just this one fact of deaths to the KEMSA, which is necessitated by delay of disbursement. On the other hand, the national government had promised to give monies or capitalize KEMSA to the tune of 2 billion, and that was about 6 months ago. That money was taken off the budget that was supposed to be for MES equipments. To date, KEMSA has not received that money, and therefore even KEMSA itself is struggling. So even when you look at the 3 billion that is said to be owed by the Council of Governors or the counties, let the national government also give the KEMSA the 2 billion so that it will be able to meet the order deferred that is supposed to be over 70% to ensure that counties have everything that they order from KEMSA. At the moment, it's not everything that they order from KEMSA that is available, and therefore counties could be having debt also for other entities outside beyond KEMSA that are supplying drugs, or they may have even have, and therefore it is not only KEMSA that is a source of drugs.